Okay, optional question. Again, by taking this option, you'll get better options in life. So I'm kind of looking at it. What I would attack the problem, certainly you can look at the key, and one way students might do it is try to remove the absolute value symbol by rewriting, and it's a lot of work. I want to put the work over here. This is the work, but I want to concentrate on what we're doing in classroom, by the way. And what we're doing in classroom is we're rewriting these guys. Let's write this down. So it's going to be x squared plus 6x plus 1. And for the absolute value of this thing to be greater than 8, well, it means it could be this, or it could be this over here, less than minus 8. All right, let's take a look at this. What do you get over here? X squared plus 6x minus 7 greater than 0, or this one's going to be x squared plus 6x, let's see, plus 9, less than 0. All right, let's factor them now. It's going to be x plus 3 squared less than 0. This has no solution to it. Reason being is x plus 3 is always, when you square, is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. It's never less than 0. Let's look at the next one, this one over here. I'm going to factor it. And that would be 7 and 1, plus 7 minus 1. We're going to put a number line down. And there's two numbers going to number line. One is going to be 1, and the other one's going to be minus 7. So what do? Take test values. After 1, take like 5, plug it in. It's going to be positive. Between minus 7 and 1, 0, you plug it in. That would be negative. If you go below minus 7, like minus 8, plug it in. It would be positive. So I got my solution now. My solution is going to be minus infinity up to minus 7, union 1 off to infinity. All right, let's look at the k and see if they were written down. And again, I'm looking for this in the k. All right, so I'm seeing that right over here, minus 50, minus 7. I also want to point out there's a graph of this, and I want to go through that with you now. The graph, if you look at it, let's take a look. We have a line over here. This line over here is y equals 8. We have a green line, and this green line over here is going to be x equals 1. And we have a green line over here, and it looks like x equals minus 7. We also have this magenta-colored curve. Let me put that in black for you. This magenta color curve over here is going to be y equals the absolute value of x squared plus 6x plus 1. And what did they basically ask for? Was it greater than 8? Well, let me take a look at it, and I'm going to shade it in now for you. So I'm going to say it looks like it's over here and over here. What is that? Well, the intervals we just discussed. What were those intervals? Looks like minus infinity up to minus 7, union 1 off to infinity. I really been wondering what's happening over here. It is touching it, but it's not greater than that, but it is touching it there. Where's it touch at? It touched at minus 3. And why do we know that? Well, if you look back to the original problem, I see that right over there. It does do this right over here. All right, touched it, but it's not equal to it. Thank you.